Ready to turn your creativity into cash without spending a dime? Join me as we dive into the ultimate step-by-step guide to launching your very own print-on-demand business. From crafting eye-catching designs to turning clicks into cash, I've got all the secrets to help you succeed in this exciting industry and how much money you can earn from this amazing business. So, let's get started and watch your dreams take flight. Here's a step-by-step guide to starting a print-on-demand or pod business without any upfront investment. Step 1. Understand the print-on-demand model. What is pod? You create designs and sell products that are printed and shipped on demand. You don't handle inventory or shipping. Earnings. You earn a profit when customers purchase your products after subtracting the cost from the pod provider. Step 2. Choose a niche. Identify your target audience. Understand who your customers are, their interests, age group, and preferences. Research trends. Use tools like Google Trends to find popular niches, for example, fitness, pets, or quotes. Step 3. Create unique designs. Design tools. Use free tools like Canva or GIMP for creating designs. You can also hire freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork if needed. Focus on quality. Ensure designs are visually appealing and high resolution. Step 4. Find a reliable print-on-demand supplier. Popular pod platforms include Printful, which offers a wide range of products and integrations with e-commerce platforms. Teespring, now known as Spring, is great for merch like t-shirts and also facilitates integrations. Redbubble is ideal for artists to showcase and sell designs on a variety of products. And T-Launch focuses on customizable merchandise and accessories. Step 5. Set up your online store. Choose an e-commerce platform such as Shopify, which offers a free trial and a user-friendly setup. Etsy is great for creative products and has an existing customer base. WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin that allows for extensive customization. Step 6. Integrate your pod supplier. Link your store. Most pod platforms will provide instructions to integrate your store and automate orders. Then place a couple of test orders to ensure everything works correctly. Step 7. Marketing your products. Leverage social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to showcase your designs. Content marketing. Start a blog to attract organic traffic by writing about niche-related topics. Email marketing. Build an email list to notify customers about new products and promotions. Step 8. Understand pricing and profit margins. Set your prices. Ensure you cover the production cost plus desired profit. Research competitors. Check similar products to set competitive pricing. Step 9. Analyze and optimize. Monitor sales. Use analytics from your e-commerce platform to see which products sell best. Gather feedback. Encourage customers to leave reviews to build credibility. Adjust strategies. Based on performance, modify your marketing and product offerings. Step 10. Stay updated with trends. Keep an eye on market trends through sites like Printful's blog or industry reports. Join forums or Facebook groups focused on print on demand to exchange ideas and gain insights. Best locations worldwide in 2025. The United States, with its strong market presence and shipping efficiency. Europe, where custom duties and tariffs are generally lower, making it an attractive market. And Australia, which is seeing increasing e-commerce growth with an interest in unique designs. By following these steps, you can effectively launch and grow a print-on-demand business without any investment. Estimating potential earnings in the print-on-demand business can vary widely depending on several factors, including your niche, marketing efforts, and product pricing. However, here's a rough breakdown. Average profit margin. Typical margin pod businesses often see profit margins ranging from 20 to 50% per sale. For example, if a t-shirt sells for $25 and the pod provider charges you $15, your profit is $10, which is 40%. Monthly sales estimates. New entrepreneurs. You might start with 10 to 30 sales per month, equating to $100 to $300 in monthly profit. Growth potential. As you gain traction and build your audience, sales can rise to $100 to $500 per month. For example, at 300 sales with the same profit margin, you could earn $3,000 monthly. Long-term potential. Established entrepreneurs' successful POD businesses can scale up significantly, with some entrepreneurs earning $10,000 or more per month as they refine their processes and expand their product lines. Factors influencing earnings. Niche selection. Some niches are more profitable than others. Trends can significantly impact income. Marketing strategies. Effective marketing can boost visibility and result in higher sales. Customer retention. Building a loyal customer base can lead to repeat purchases and consistent income. In conclusion, in 2025, with effective strategies and consistent effort, it's feasible to earn anywhere from $100 to $10,000 or more per month in the print-on-demand business. Adjust your expectations based on your niche, commitment, and marketing effectiveness. Happy selling!